How the devil are you doing? Cooler King checking in again on behalf of the EDC Cooperative. I hope you're fine and dandy. Quick and dirty pocket dump, last one of 2019 most probably. So let's get straight into it. I'm wearing normal jeans today. So we'll start off in my front right hand pocket. I have the Big Idea Design titanium pocket tool, which is a staple in my pocket. Clipped to the inside of my front right hand side pocket, I've got the Olight H1R Nova. I like an angled light like that, that's perfect for what I want. Rear right hand pocket, I have a Hank by an unknown maker. If you know who it is, let me know. I bought it as part of a package off Savage818 on Instagram. He'll know, I've just not asked him. Also in my rear right hand pocket I have Benchmade bug outs with a bead from Roland's Metalworks. Also right hand rear pocket, got the version 2 of our co-op coin. Rear left hand, got the co-op Griffin XL pocket tool. Also in the rear left at the moment I have the Vitesse Design Plan B rocket, which I do like that as a knife. There's a bit of a backup blade. Finally, front left hand pocket, one of my Christmas presents, a Hitch and Timber wallet, card caddy. I do like it. We gave one away in our giveaway and basically I had to have one because I really liked it. Got a Willy Digger aluminium bead. We have a modded Swiss Army knife from Beaver Blade Works, and the co-op mini mig pen. So there you have it, pocket dump, down and dirty. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.